me help you. What the hell? What's wrong with you? Are you okay now? Yeah? Alright.
He's still doing it.
Does he have a gag reflex on the side of his head?
I don't know. No, why did you scratch him by his ear?
Yep.
Yeah, when you do, it starts doing that.
You fix him? Close that beak.
Let go. See what he does.
Look at you, close his beak. Oh no. Oh, Tiki, what happened? Where's the off button?